Hi guys, so the best thing that you can do for your health is build muscles. That's right. If you want to live a long and healthy life, then you need muscles. You need to build muscles. You need to work on building muscles. And that should be the only singular focus point of your health strategy. आपको ये एटीट्यूड नहीं रखना है कि आपको लीन बॉडी बनानी है. आपको ये एटीट्यूड नहीं रखना है कि आप सिर्फ हेल्थ के लिए थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं. No dude, get serious. You need to build muscles. There is just no way around it. If you want any sort of happiness in your life at all, if you want any sort of health related happiness in your life, you need to lift weights. I mean, this is hugely underestimated. The benefits of lifting weights in our society is hugely underrated. लोग सोचते हैं कि लिफ्टिंग वेट्स एंड बिल्डिंग मसल्स ये सिर्फ जिम ब्रोस का काम है. बाकी जनरल पॉपुलेशन को अपनी लाइफ में इस तरह का स्ट्रेस पालने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, जैसे लिफ्टिंग वेट्स. बट नथिंग कुड बी फर्दर देन द ट्रूथ. It is so wrong to say and think that the general population and common people does not really need muscles in their life. Guys, I'm here to tell you, does not matter what aspect of life you come from, you need those muscles. When you have muscles on your body, you basically have a good cardiovascular functioning body. If you get injured, you have better chance of recovery and faster recovery. Muscles equals to strength, and strength is basically what you need to do anything in life. When you have muscles, you have less strain on your joints. I mean, the benefits are endless. So don't just settle to just getting lean और हमें तो बस पेट कम करना है, हमें बस इतना वेट करना है, उसके बाद वी आर गुड, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मस्कुलर नहीं बनना. नो ब्रो, आपको मस्कुलर बनना है. आप ये प्रायोरिटी रखो अपनी लाइफ में कि आपको मस्कुलर बनना है. And I'm talking about people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. Does not matter what age you are. Remember, age के साथ आपका muscle loss वैसे ही होता है. So you really need to fight as you get older to sustain as much muscles in your body as you can. And when you start young, you have the right mindset to do that in the old age.